Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of facial fillers to explore the difference between two popular options, OTESALY PLLA filler and Sculptra. Both of these products are designed to enhance our natural beauty, but they do so in unique ways. Let's break it down. First, OTESALY PLLA HA filler. This innovative product combines PLLA with hyaluronic acid. The HA provides immediate hydration and volume, while the PLLA works gradually to stimulate collagen production over time. This means you not only see results right away, but continue to benefit as your skin improves. Now let's look at Sculptra. Sculptra is also a PLLA-based product. Its unique formulation helps to restore facial warmth by stimulating collagen production, creating a subtle lift and smoother contours over time. So, how do they compare? Both products use PLLA to boost collagen. The OTESALY PLLA HA filler also incorporates hyaluronic acid for immediate volume, while Sculptra only focused on facial rejuvenation gradually. Choosing between them depends on your goals. If you want instant hydration and volume, OTESALY PLLA HA filler might be your best choice. If you are looking for gradual and natural rejuvenation, Sculptra could be the better fit.